Welcome back. Thank you so much ukuhlala nathi namhlanje ekuseni la kwi-Morning Show on ETV. If you have just joined us, you're right on time because our next guest is one thing about South Africa that we're not short of. Talent, man. He's absolutely talented. And he's proof ukuthi as umrapper X-Ray, he's an emerging artist who has collaborated with some of the biggest heavyweights in the game. Ngikhuluma ngabo MT, just to mention a few. He joins us live right now in studio. X-Ray, Butwam.
Sure,
Jabulu kubona namhlanje kuseni.
Ngiyabonga bafo.
Grand.
100 bafo.
Tell me about where the whole rap game for you is at the moment, because Siyazi ukuthi Soweto has given us some of the best rappers over the period of the last 20 years.
Yeah.
But where did it find you?
I think I'm on a right lane right now, because at some point when you're a musician, you need to catch up a bit.
Yeah.
Because I can say I'm a bit of old school, new school at the same time.
Okay.
So I think I'm on a right lane right now.
Yeah, boy. So masicabanga abo Pro Kid, abo Magzi, like lezi rapper ngevenek, wila abo bantu labo.
Kahle inspiration isuka kulawo mahotman.
Ngempela.
Yeah, because we once met no pros akhuluma kancane sathi sospan. Unfortunately wahamba singakatheshi singakaspan yabo. But he's quite an inspiration to all of us yabo.
Yeah.
Rapper, kasi rappers and stuff yabo.
Nice.
Yeah.
Asikhulume ngo X-Ray ke. I mean, you're from Soweto, kuphi nendawo Khiphani in terms of rap la uvela khona.
Qale Pinville ukurapper, inspiration ibuya kubo bo pro.
Yeah.
Qala ukurapper ngezingamla, but the minute sizu pro.
Yeah,
yonke into switch ukasi rap, but ikasi rap via musical and stuff. Sanokurapper kube ngathi siyacula, but siyarapper at the same time, ngiyangithola.
Nice.
Yeah, because we need to catch up at the same time, ngiyangithola.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
And how's that catch-up game going for you?
It's good because I listen to a whole lot of different artists. Yeah. Just to get inspiration, ngizwe ukuthi bakuphi nge-taste yabo music.
Okay.
Then nami ngizama ukufaka le style sami ukuthi ngizama ukcatch up ngiyangithola.
Okay.
Yeah.
Umculo wakho uyaziproducela or uspana namajita?
No,
how does your process work?
Ngispana namajita. Kune-outhamba to Slick with it. Yeah, producer ngispane. Ama-producer ngispane nawo apa different. Uspeaker ngispanile naye.
Yeah.
Now I'm working with Slick. Nored Patini, producer and artist.
Yes.
Yeah, ngispana nabo yabo. Because I feel like ngeke kwenze yonke into yabo. Kunabantu kumele bagaye.
We-empowering namajita, ama-beat maker nabo bakwazi ukuthi bathole i-plug through wena.
Yeah, because I feel like you can't just make it alone. Kumele ube in a team behind wena ngithola. Yeah, so those guys are my team as well.
Nice, man. Lo nyaka umusha usaqala mfethu, wena nje uzimiseleni or ufisa kwenzekeni ngo X-Ray for 2021?
Well, I've been working on a lot of music. Kune EP engizoyidropa project kahle. It's called Good Food.
Okay.
Yeah, izodropa soon. It's very soon. Yeah, izodropa like go on kama platforms. So there are a few singles engwakhiphile njengelahla kanje. Yeah, then there's a track, a playlist at kuma radio stations. Imamezala, you can get it in all digital platforms.
Nice.
Yeah.
I know ngilalelile ilahle iyashisa ngempela. It's like yakhafula la mfethu. Bonyanyile sentile.
Ngiyazibongela. Bafe ukuzama mfethu.
Ukhuluma ngani? Ake sichazele nje abantu abangakayizwa mhlamba ukuthi ilahle ikhuluma ngani. Ngesizwele from yourself.
Basically ilahla sikhuluma ngabantu ukulahla man yazi mo. Uyazi umuntu esifazane at some point hayi ukuthi uyazenza mhlambe ufuna ukuzenzela ubumnandi.
Okay.
Ubumnandi ugcine sebufika kwelinye izinga lokuthi ugcine manje sowulahla ngendlela engekho right yabo. Khona ukulahla kwendlela right khona lokho okungekho right ngithola. So uyahamba ubuya kusasa shoot manje ulahlile ngithola. Yeah, monga check music video yami da but ukulahla iloko right ngikhuluma nomzalo wakhe ukuthi ayikuse uzobuya ugela yabo ngiyamcela nje just to have fun for leso sikhathi leso then ngiyambuyisa.
Man.
Yeah.
Irap elihloniphayo yazi angikaze ngibona irap elihloniphayo elifika likokote kabo mntwana lithi exema Chris ngicela umbolekwe usembodi sobuya naye.
Yeah, because
you're that guy.
Uyazi abazali banjani basano stress ukuthi umbali kuphi uzodwa uhambila kaje zangasho at least mangifikile ngasho ukuthi hayi mawulidi so yenza 1 2 3 ngizombuyisa ngenkathi yabo. Yeah.
Nice, man.
Sure.
For young people coming up in the game, what advice do you have? I mean, what challenges did you see before cracking?
Njengoba ngitshelile before ukuthi you can't make it alone. Kunabantu abafana nabo PR, kunabantu abafana nabo marketing nani. Intwana zanu zifuna ukuzenzela yonke into. Yeah, well, hence I said, Guti, you can't just make it alone.
Yeah.
So you need a team behind you.
Yes.
And ngizokutshela ivari, it's just like any other business. You need to go to half ukuthi ezinye izinto zibe right.
Yebo.
You need to pay studio time.
Right.
Record studio time. You need to ukuthi ube nenye taxi fare to just submit tracks
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I know Khafama producer,
Khafama producer, because now, yeah.
Finally now Khafama producer.
Yeah, because bakwenza to sign the dope at the same time. Yeah, you need to pay those guys. Yeah, because career nakubo. Yeah, they need to eat at the end of the day.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Manje ngendaba zama lockdown and ama restrictions, we obviously can't have abantu kuma events. I imagine you'd want to promote le EP le Otizo Puma soon. Wenze njani ke wena? Have you re-engineered how you do things? Mhlambi indaba zama virtual tour or things like that?
Yeah. I'm working on that right now. Reason why manje sesengiplan ukudila nama music video most of the time, yabo. So that's it. Njengoba kusavaliwe njengamanje kube na something engidrophayo, not just music, visuals as well. Yeah. So yeah, I'm a visual so far.
But thina abantu bayijabulele. What's the reaction like?
Bayancanya. Bayifatela bayancanya. Like they appreciate.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
I mean, the last time you were out before uMengameli Vala nje, especially level 3.
Yeah.
When you were out there performing, what was the reaction and response from your fans?
It was so quite nice. Like wonke umuntu beyangijabulela. Like immediately when I jump on stage, like everybody went crazy because in my hood actually bayangazi.
Yeah. Nice one. X-Ray. I'll show you my 16s here lapho. Bengizo big boss mfethu manje ayinami lamhlanje kuseni. Idatha yami beatboxing. Iphelile.
You need to get used to that because you're still gonna interview a lot of different rappers, you know?
Yeah.
I think shine something.
Ashayela a cappella la.
Okay, ngelirik ngiyagwaza khala amabounce ayachansa ngapha ngiyachaza ngiyalasta masengirana njengocast ngapigima igila ngikhwaza mangiblasta amagama abuhlaso vele kuyacaca nerasta lidla inyama lekukufasta ngihlangisa bopasta ngokubasta amavese hustler bathi kaslamele ukuklatsa bohata bafake fast rap gazi lami uyangitrust amangiklatsi gangster ngelast time lesibhamu sami eserasu zokhasa bongana frestan ababelieve impilo inzibili sipilisi ngikhilizi nje mina idilipilizi ability ngiphike sengidilizile my rhythm as hidden definism fike sekudile ezinye lyrical jimile ngilimit feeling yokukhipha insimbi. Yeah.
Uthi Billy dilenzeni. Hey, X-Ray namhlanje kuseni mfethu. So hot, man.
Yeah,
absolutely hot. Mobile mfethu, what's the process? I mean, I've asked Pro Esapila the same question and his process was quite different. And I'm always very curious to hear from each rapper which when amawabhala lama rhyme usuku kuphi emqondweni.
I think isikhathi esiphila kuso nezinto ezidlule kuze life yabo.
Yeah.
So we sort of like reminiscing when we're writing our own stuff. Ukuthi eshifanele ngenzeni izolo kwenzakaleni.
Yeah.
When you look at the news, everything that's going around, I'm a movie yabona. Yeah. Impilo nje enzima esiphilayo.
Nice. Mfethu siyabonga ukuthi uzwakala ushayela irun namhlanje.
Bonga mina bafo.
Ngathi konke ngahamba kahle. Yazi usazobuya phela sazoshaya ama performances ezifana lezo.
Definitely. Kusazohamba kahle kakhulu bafo.
Looking forward to seeing X-Ray back on the morning show. You can get to the EP. It drops pretty soon. We're taking a quick ad break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.